As today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Turbotax app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down. You just click on apps. You come to apps list, and here you're looking for Turbotax app, or just click on search. Then here at Turbotax, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. You come to next CPU, click on for stock, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage receive, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. You click here on your Play Store. Then here you search for Turbotax. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.